Let's explore the element that has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. This element is carbon 12, one of the most important isotopes in nature. The atomic number of an element is determined by the number of protons in its nucleus. Carbon has an atomic number of 6, meaning all carbon atoms have exactly 6 protons. Let's visualize carbon 12's atomic structure. In the nucleus, we have 6 protons shown in red and 6 neutrons shown in blue. Around the nucleus, 6 electrons orbit in 2 shells, 2 in the inner shell and 4 in the outer shell. The mass number of carbon 12 is 12, which is the sum of its 6 protons and 6 neutrons. This is why we write it as carbon 12, or in scientific notation as C12. Carbon 12 is incredibly important in nature. It's the most abundant isotope of carbon, making up about 98.9% of all carbon on Earth. It's also used as the standard for atomic mass units, where one carbon 12 atom is defined as exactly 12 atomic mass units. So remember, when we're talking about an element with 6 protons and 6 neutrons, we're talking about carbon 12, one of the most fundamental and important isotopes in nature.